possible, able to be done or achieved.
Their coverage? Tell me how you're keeping Insuricare in the black. Tell me how that's possible with you writing checks to every Harry Hardluck and Sally sob story that gives you a phone call!
But sadly, like all the greats, El Macho was gone too soon. He died in the most macho way possible, riding a
Compel. To force someone to do something.
Mr. Wong, the court cannot compel you to testify against your own daughter.
No, I want to. Also, I got some...
And I'm not sure what it is that compels a person to continue to play make-believe even after they're an adult.
Awkward. Making you feel embarrassed. Difficult to do, use, or deal with.
Well, this is all very awkward, but I suppose I could carry this tremendous burden.
Look, mysterious force, I feel a little awkward talking to you since I didn't believe in you at first, because, you know, it's crazy. But then I saw you...
Venture. A new activity, usually in business, that involves risk. To risk doing something that might be dangerous.
If you want to keep her safe, you will need to go further than even a warrior of your renown has ever ventured before.
Never thought of that. I'm not wild about these high-risk ventures. They sound a little risky.
Oh, Marge.
Awesome. Extremely good.
Ooh, they're so awesome!
This place is awesome!
Guide. 1. A person whose job is showing a place or a particular route to visitors. 2. To show someone how to do something.
Well, tomorrow evening, they will light the night sky with these lanterns. You will act as my guide, take me to these lanterns, and return me home safely. Then,
But a peach cannot defeat Tai Lung.
Maybe it can, if you are willing to guide it, to nurture it.
Quench. 1. To use water to put out a fire. 2. To satisfy a need or wish.
I was hoping you'd be kind enough to let me quench my thirst.
It's time to unplug these vampire appliances that plunge their prongs into our creamy white outlets to quench their unholy thirst for electrons. Lamp? Computer?
Betray. To not be loyal to your country or a person.
Let go of me! Let go, you lousy, lying, unfaithful creep!
How could I betray the perfect woman?
Oh, you're
Ugh, every bone in my evil cat body is telling me not to betray the trust of the green-eyed man.
Utter. 1. To say something. 2. Complete or extreme.
signed letter. I had no idea it stood for...
Utter one more syllable and I'll have you killed.
That's it! I know now what I can offer you that no one else can! Complete and utter dependence!
Homer, that's...
Pacify. To cause someone who is angry or upset to be calm and satisfied.
I've pacified the lords for now. Your father's out there entertaining them.
It's where they sort the fish. It's the dumbest thing I've ever heard of. But yeah, I worked there just to kind of pacify my mom a little bit.
Respond. To say or do something as a reaction to something.
I wrote you emails, but you never responded.
You can still do great things. Or you can listen to police scanners. Your choice. You have 24 hours to respond. Think about it.
Beckon. To make a signal to someone with your hand.
You saw a blinding white light that engulfed you, almost seemed to be beckoning you to...
Now, no matter how many beckoning fingers that steam morphs into, or how badly it tries to sneak its way up your nose,